Hi guys, welcome to Thai Show. Oh, there is a tractor, JCB, hey, lorry, scooty girl. Oh, it's also a lorry and tractor. Hey, Hulk is there. What is doing there? Hey, yellow tractor is moving. Hey, it's moving. Okay, it's moving. Now, Hulk is waiting. Oh, he's carrying the wooden bridge. Okay, it's very nice. Oh, super. Okay. Now, what's next? Hey, yellow tractor is moving. Hey, stop. Okay. Lorry, okay, I understand. Oh, it's stuck, okay. The wheels are stuck. Oh, come on, try again. Oh, no use. Okay, push. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, what's next? Come on. Oh, yellow tractor, scooty girl. Okay. Oh. What's next? Oh, okay. Oh, see that? Wow. It's moving very fast. Okay. Let it side. Okay. Okay, what's next? Hey, blue tractor, lorry. Okay. What's next? Oh, it's moving. Wow. Very nice. Okay. Next, what's next? Blue tractor, JCB, what's next? Oh, please subscribe and bell all.